start. Alright. Chance of severe weather. But it doesn't look like too bad right now. It's March 6th. March 7th, siren days tomorrow. Hopefully they go off. Hopefully we're able to go somewhere. Cars in the shop. It's always when I want to do something. I'm starting to notice a pattern here. Everybody has things to do. Then when I want to go do something, suddenly the car doesn't work. I'm starting Minecraft again on my other channel now. I haven't done it in a long time. We're like a true series in a long time, so go check that out on Nullgative. I'm bored today. Can we read that sign? Kinda. Look, I don't know. Ooh. Starting to rain. Oh, I think I saw a flash. Dad is not back yet for some reason. This shirt's choking me out. Damn, I can't sit out here long because look, no awning. So the videos this year probably aren't going to be too good unless the park does the logical thing of putting awnings up. And that means for them too, even though that's probably from the frickin' 60s or something. Shit, you.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you? Awesome.
No, the lightning, the thunder I did.
Yeah.
I just got a special weather statement. And it's like just under a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, nice new siding. Yeah, I got a severe thunderstorm, or no, special weather statement. Gusts around 45 miles an hour. What was there? I wonder what was there. This place seems a lot more community-like. We're a bit closer to our neighbors. They're nice people. My neighbor over here has the same exact hair color as me. She has like 5 kids in that house or something. Neighbors on the other side. Just an old guy and I think his grandma or something, or his somebody, his mom, I don't know. More thunder. They have an old Chihuahua. It's probably like 15, 20 years old. It goes, "Far!" When it looks at you, it goes, "Far!" My baby little camera. That is some noise from somewhere. As closest we can get to ever doing this until they put an awning on here. They need to make these porches bigger than 1 foot wide, I swear. I hear noises. There's also a problem, these leak. So they just drench you on your way in. Or your way out. Starting to feel more and more normal, though. It's a bit later. What time is it? I don't care. I don't care right now. That's ridiculous. Look at that. That's all from the door. That's ridiculous.
Take a
That's...
towel, put it over your head, or go get there's
Oh, I got an idea.
Oh, that. There's the clear umbrella stuff too.
It's fine. I'll be out there just a little bit. Oh my god, it got worse. Oh, why am I doing this? Oh, it's bad. Jesus. Oh, I'm safe right here, next to the trailer. They had a tornado warned cell south of us. It had a tornado warning in it for like 2 hours or something. It was by Kalamazoo, and I went towards Jackson. Stood here about 5 minutes trying to get this thing to focus. It's a street light in the center of the photo. Take focus on it. There is no possible conceivable way you suck that bad. Okay, well that's it. It blew over that fast. Got an idea how to do this. It's not great, but it's not getting rained on either. The clouds are going west really fast. You see the lightning, I mean the flashing. What do you want? Making corn casserole tonight. So that should be good. Southeast, it's coming from that direction. I just saw, oh my god, I just saw like the biggest tornado I've seen here in Michigan in recent times. In March, Union City just got hit by like a F3 or some shit. Who's that now? Severe Thunderstorm. And a friend suggestion. I don't care right now. I hope Dad's in like Farm Bureau or something. Right. She's pretty much deaf right now because she has a one earphone in. It's kind of funny. I think it'll graze us. We'll get a bit of it, but right now it's going past us a little bit. This thing has a purple core in it. What is that?
Me squeaking.
Oh, I mean,
Oh.
thought that was wind.
Sorry.
Hey, it's fine. I thought that was wind out there.
Yeah.
Ah, I could just set this thing down like that. Damn. This thing's purple in the middle. And this warning looks like a flying V. You can see how the thunder or the lightning went that way throughout the frame, or if it's that way now. It's going past us. There's more coming. Come on, stop going through the thing. There's more coming, but it's not like that. It's in a line. I'm shaking. I'm shook. Union City got hit by a fat wedge. First there's a multi-vortex, and then there's a wedge. Like, what? Oh. Are you kidding me? Sorry, dog, I'm blocking your way from the window. March. It's doing some kind of Henryville thing. Oh, they shortened it. I shortened the warning. The severe thunderstorm warning has ping pong sized hail. Ping pong ball. Before it had quarter sized. Or quarters diameter or circumference, whatever. Dude, this is so much funner. If I were just able to get this frickin' screen to go up, I'd be a lot happier. Cause then I could just sit here for videos. Or at least till they put the awning up. Every 1/8 of a second or no, every 3/4 of a second there's a lightning strike, man. Didn't think I'd see Amy and James posting about the same thing ever. And they are. Because this is huge. If this storm was a person, it would be like a millionaire or super famous or something. Yeah. I'm looking at the radar about a couple hours ago and it's really extended. There's a weird shaped cell. Tree swaying. Anybody? Hello, hello. Connor Bales updated his profile picture. Yeah, cool. I don't even know what I'm going on about. Nope, nobody's got back. Damn. Not much for a little bit, just got a bit of wind for a second. Holy shit, how did it... Just as I turned it off.
Yeah.
You said the last thunder sounded like a stomp. That wasn't the thunder, that had to be a frickin'... That was the lightning.
Yeah.
Hitting the ground.
It sounded like somebody stomped.
Shit.
Yeah, there had to be lightning.
Yeah, that wasn't just thunder, that was the lightning hitting the ground.
Wow.
Or just cutting through the air or something.
That.
What the hell?
Did you hear it?
A little. I thought it was the rest. I thought it was the thunder.
There was a thump.
I thought it was what was the rest of the thunder.
That was wild.
Might have been a pretty good one. I won't use this clip, dude. Shit.
Go pee. Go pee.
Careful out there.
Be okay.
You're alive. She actually went out there. She's glistening. She's sparkling. See? Sparkling. Damn. She drenched. Here, you get a bone. For now. I don't have any happy bones. They're like the little meat-filled cracker things. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, we're getting something now. You wave at me? I'm not sure. I'm Ozzying. What the fuck's a baby? I hear it hitting the roof now.
Yeah.
Not even that bad. I just hope Dad's in cleaning. Hear that, or he's like around the corner or something. Oh, that would look good. Yes. I knew that one was good. It just looked too flashy and too immediate, I guess. Too fast for it to just be far. Quarter-sized hail.
Huh.
up to 45 mile an hour wind. No, up to 40 mile an hour winds. It said 35. It messed me up down here. It's moving at 35 miles an hour. It's going past us right now. It's just going to be thunderstorms by the looks of it. Not even a special weather statement. Maybe they just stopped that because of what happened earlier. The rest of it's down by Elkhart and South Bend and Niles. Niles. Darman uploaded this early. Oh, premiere. Hey, Darman fam, I hope you enjoyed our message. See outside? You smell the smell of wood and wind in the air. You smell quarter-sized hail? Do you? I see the rain coming. Uh-oh, I heard it. God, please. I hope that wind calms down. That's the rain. Message. Yeah. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, 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 alright. Yeah. Humble pie. "30 days in the frickin' rain." Oh, how about that? Visibility got worse. To this window, I am peeing severe thunderstorm warning yellow. It's probably not good. Is that wind? Oh, God help us. Damn curtain. Boo. Look at this visibility. That's why I want the window to be open.
Oh, I know.
Not like you can see this at night. Oh, that's freaky. Ooh. You ain't catching. The what? Yep.
Electrical spark.
Yep.
Start. Here.
Oh, night. Yeah.
Doesn't mean that it might not freeze and stuff like that. Yeah. Have more electricity at some point.
Yeah, I just found a hack.
Oh, there you go.
There, I can blow it out of the window.
That or I can keep a towel and dab at it.
Get a leaf blower. There, done. People be wondering why they hear a leaf blower every couple minutes. Something smells like hose outside. It smells like when you run a hose.
Yo hose!
The dumpster, yo ho.
Yo hose!
You can't even deep dive into the whole rectum. So I'm gonna take the conserva rotaceous route.
The Phil Collins or Genesis song would always say, ho ho ho.
Yeah.
Then that was always something.
Oh.
Ho. Somebody ho.
Yeah. It's your Caymanons, so it's not really even hypotenuse because you're catastrophic migraine. I don't even know how much I recorded now. For a pretty long video of pretty much nothing and just news. 7:50 now?
Yeah.
Okay. I must have started my... It's 7:52?
Yeah.
Okay, I must have started my recording at 7:49. The phone recording for the audio. So
Okay.
I'll head back in there about 57 or something.
How are you recording it? With a different phone? Or?
Yeah, it's my new phone. I have it upside down so it doesn't get everywhere. I have the towel around it.
I get you. Sure, if you were using your recorder or not.
Oh. Oh, that's pretty. Some bright ass new LED lights on those cars. The normal lights are already like high beams or brights, but then the brights are just the sun in your face. He did Fearless, Pink Floyd,
Great job.
Billy Strings. It's not really raining anymore. That's a holy boo in there. It's past us.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be raining. No, nothing, just rain and us and a little thunder. No more wedges. Hopefully for a while too. Thanks for watching. Let's get to 750 subscribers so I can give y'all a compilation of my dad scaring the hell out of me through the door.